Hello folks, we have a wonderful crash course for 2022 CAT, this year's CAT, which covers pretty much everything. So we have the entire course for quant, LRDI, VARC, entire course available with detailed videos for theories, practice questions, prep edge level questions, which is CAT level questions, all of that. On top of that, we have 8,000 online practice questions, 3,000 of them being drill level consolidation questions to get the ideas in place, 5,000 CAT level questions to get the ideas in place. On top of this, we have a bunch of mocks. We have very few 3-hour mocks. Keep them outside. We have all the previous year questions that are available with detailed video solutions inside the system and a clutch of 2-hour mocks that are sitting inside. Most importantly, we have a bit, an avenue where we've said, look, we'll make the pot even juicier. We said we'll include the group discussion, personal interview, PAT training also into this. This will happen post-CAT results sometime in January. We're going to include this also in the package. Of course, we'll cover OMET, the XAT, IFT sections included inside this course. It's a fabulous course, which is available for a super juicy price point, 10,000 only, and this is including GST. So you can click and learn anytime, anywhere, any number of times at your fingertips, desktop and app, everything, the whole shebang. And this will help you with doubt clarification, discussion board. You'll be part of a WhatsApp group. We'll help you with workshop revision, the whole shebang. The whole shebang is included. Super juicy course. Now this begs the question, is there enough time to prepare for CAT 2022 starting now with hardly 75 days remaining? Short answer, yes. But is it easy? No. Is it a guarantee? No. There are guys who have been preparing for this exam reasonably well for 10 months. And then I jump on and say 2.5 months, can I crack it? I'm duty bound to say yes, it is possible. Is it easy? Is it doable? Is it likely? Is it probable? No. So what should be the plan of action? If you already have all your fundas in place, attack mocks left, right and center. If that is not the case and you're starting now, the theme should be twofold. One is mocks, another is pick your battles. And so get mocks in place, lots of them. Pick your battles. For quant, attack arithmetic, get it in the bag, then maybe fool around with geometry or algebra. Only then. For verbal, do reading comprehension, get some practice in, do lots of reading, but don't go overboard with tons of RC practice. For LRDI, do all previous year questions that are available, do mocks, you're good. You don't need to do anything else. You don't have the time to do anything else. So don't think that you can start from scratch, consolidate tournament ideas, consolidate the Venn diagram ideas, and then go to practice test and finally go to mocks. No time for that. Hit mocks, hit previous year questions, read a lot, and cover arithmetic. Can this be done in 75 days? Oh my God, yes. Is there a route to 99th percentile or 98th percentile with this? Definitely yes. If you want to get 99.95, that's intensely competitive anyway. But to get to 98, to get to 95, to get to 90, there's a route available. Suppose you're saying, look, I have 2.5 years of experience. With a 92, 93, a bunch of doors will open for me. Do I have a route to that? I can bet my bottom dollar you have a route to that. With just arithmetic in the bag, you can get 92, 93rd percentile in quant alone. With some reading habit and being savvy about which passages to pick and leave, you can get 90th percentile in verbal. Get one LRDI puzzle of 4 questions right, and maybe one more question outside of that. We can get 90th percentile in LRDI. Each 90 overall will add up to more than that. So the route to this is definitely available. And so plan accordingly. And the course is fabulous. It is super comprehensive, but still available in a compact pack. It won't overwhelm you. The biggest fear now is you pick up a course and there's a bunch of live classes, random things happening all over the place. You don't have the freedom to pick and choose your battles. But here, we give it to you on a platter. The entire course is on a platter. So you can attack chunks that you pick to choose and fight and grapple with and complete a version of your syllabus, your portion. That is super important. Have a big smile on your heart, on your face. Have hope in your heart and give this a go. Best wishes for you.